Look closely at the paper currency resting inside your wallet right now. To you, it represents freedom, hard work, and financial survival. But to the central bankers, physical cash is a dangerous loophole, a loophole that allows private citizens to transact outside government surveillance. For decades, the global elite have quietly planned its total elimination. The mechanism for this financial trap was secretly set in motion. In March 2022, Joe Biden signed the controversial Executive Order 14,067. This order placed the highest urgency on researching a U.S. CBDC, a central bank digital currency designed to completely replace the physical dollar. Mainstream media called it a modern, efficient update to our payments, but independent economists warned it was an absolute surveillance machine, a system where every single transaction is logged by the state, where the freedom of anonymous buying completely ceases to exist forever. The foundation of a cashless society was systematically being engineered, while the public was entirely distracted by engineered media chaos. Then came a massive shift that shocked the global establishment. On January 23, 2025, Donald Trump signed a historic directive. The order was titled Strengthening American Leadership in Digital Financial Technology. With a single stroke of a pen, Trump officially crushed the retail CBDC. He explicitly prohibited the establishment, issuance, or promotion of CBDCs, citing that a digital dollar directly threatens individual privacy. It completely revoked Biden's surveillance-heavy Executive Order 14,067. The alternative media celebrated this as an absolute victory for freedom. But do not celebrate too early, because the danger is far from over. The deep state and central banks do not simply give up. When blocked at the front door, they always pivot to the back. While a direct retail CBDC is legally banned right now, the underlying infrastructure is scaling at an unprecedented rate. The digital matrix is being built directly into traditional banking, and the general public is completely unaware of this silently growing trap. Enter the Federal Reserve's powerful system known as FedNow, launched quietly in July 2023 as an instant payments rail. The Federal Reserve insists that FedNow is absolutely not a CBDC, but top financial experts warn it is the exact track they need. Fast forward to 2026, and the data is deeply alarming. FedNow has silently entered its massive, scaled utility phase. Over 1,700 major financial institutions have officially integrated. The Fed recently raised transaction limits up to $10 million, processing billions in throughput daily across all 50 states. They are normalizing a system where money moves instantly and digitally. By letting smaller, local traditional banks quietly consolidate or fail, the system forces wealth into a few massive, compliant megabanks. Once 4 or 5 megabanks control the entirety of the monetary flow, the physical exchange of paper cash becomes functionally obsolete. The network is fully built, simply waiting for the perfect crisis. Why should you care if the network is fully digital? Because digital currency introduces a terrifying concept: programmability. Imagine a world where your money comes with an expiration date, a system that forces you to spend your balance within 30 days, or watch your life savings vanish from your account automatically. They can restrict what you buy based on your carbon footprint score, try to buy too much fuel or meat, transaction declined, donate to a political candidate they dislike, your account is frozen instantly. This isn't a dystopian conspiracy theory, it is technically possible today. The global elites want total control over human behavior through currency, while Trump's 2025 executive order protects us at this very moment. The financial matrix is waiting for a single emergency to flip the switch. The window to diversify your wealth into hard assets is closing fast. Gold, silver, and decentralized assets remain your only true financial shield. Subscribe now to escape the financial matrix before the final reset occurs.